lovely friends! Today we're making crispy golden French fries from scratch. Stay with me and let's make them perfectly crunchy outside and soft inside. We only need fresh potatoes, cooking oil, salt, and optional seasoning. Peel the potatoes fully so the texture stays smooth when frying. Cut into even sticks so they cook evenly and look like classic fries. Soak for 15 to 20 minutes to remove excess starch. This helps them turn crispy. Dry them fully. Wet potatoes will not fry crispy. See? Now they're perfectly dry and ready for the fryer. Heat oil to medium. Not too hot, not too low. First fry cooks them inside without browning too much. Season immediately so the salt sticks perfectly. Simple presentation makes them even more inviting. Listen to that crisp and see the soft inside. Perfectly crispy outside, soft and fluffy inside. Follow me for more simple homemade recipes and let's keep cooking together.